very much.
Thank you very much, Mayor Bloomberg. We now turn to Philadelphia Police Commissioner Sylvester Johnson, a 41-year veteran of the Philadelphia Police Department, joined law enforcement while I was District Attorney of Philadelphia a few years back, has been Commissioner since January 4th, 2002. The recipient of many distinguished awards for valor and competency, he was a key member of the hostage negotiating team. Thank you very much for joining us, Commissioner, and we look forward to your testimony.
All right, thank you very much, Senator. First, I'd like to say I agree with everything that Mayor Bloomberg said. And in addition to that, I just have a couple more things to add. Good morning, Senator Specter and Senator Kenny. Thanks for inviting me here to speak today. Illegal immigration is a serious problem. However, local law enforcement is not in position to successfully enforce immigration law and should not be compelled to be the primary enforcers of these federal regulations. The Philadelphia Police Department's first concern is public safety. The police need the community trust and cooperation to fight crime and want to keep a good relationship with all members of the immigrant community. If an undocumented person is a victim or a witness of a crime, we want them to come forward. They should not avoid local police for the perception of profiling or fear of deportation. Of course, we will investigate anyone involved in the commission of a crime, regardless of immigration stature. We enjoy a good relationship with federal agencies that enforce immigration law, and that is one way to ensure illegal immigrants involved in criminal activity do not slip through either system. Additionally, we do not have the resources needed to enforce immigration laws. Overall, crime is down slightly. However, like many cities, we're dealing with an increase in shootings and murders and a substantial decrease in federal and other fundings. Mandatory immigration enforcement would overwhelm police resources and that of other city agencies. No city should be punished for not enforcing these immigration laws. By reducing funds, we will be affecting public safety functions of all city agencies. There are also a number of legal aspects to consider. Local police primarily enforce the criminal provision of state law. States and sometimes local mandate our responsibility and limit our conduct. In states with more restrictive laws, local police may be limited in their action against illegal immigrants. In these cases, federal enforcement would be more effective. Immigration law is complex, with civil and criminal aspects that are often difficult to distinguish. A tremendous amount of time would be needed to train officers about in this area. Keeping officers off the street for long periods of training at a time of rising violence could be disastrous. As I've often said, we will not break the law to enforce the law. As an officer, I promise to uphold the Constitution, will keep my oath. Civil suits have already been brought against local police in the United States that had assisted in enforcing immigration laws. Federal and state authorities to enforce such laws would need to be clarified. The Major City Chief, an organization consisting of 57 chiefs of police, have researched this issue and suggested several possible solutions. These include securing our borders, enforcing laws prohibiting the hiring of illegal immigrants, consulting and sharing intelligence with local police, and having local law enforcement continue to commit resources against all criminal violators. Clarification of authority, allowing local police to enforce immigration law, limiting liability for such, removing civil immigration detainees from the NCIC system, and an incentive-based system of full federal funding instead of reduction. A shunning approach would also be beneficial. Local law enforcement is the first line of defense in protecting our communities. Atrocities can occur when people put nationalization, race, and ethnicities before humanity. The Philadelphia Police Department will do everything within our authorities to protect and serve everyone we enter our city. Though illegal immigrants is a serious problem, it is everyone's interest to allow those with the expertise, experience, and resources concentrating on illegal issues. We're all benefit when local law enforcement to maintain a good relationship with the immigrant community, allowing us to protect and serve the populace. In addition to that, law enforcement by itself will never change the quality of life. We will never erase the way out of the problem. International terrorism is a shame, but domestic terrorism is just as bad. Last year, we lost 380 people in the city of Philadelphia. We need our resources to stop this tragedy. Thank you.
Thank you very much,